Here I have Samsung Galaxy M53, and today I'm going to show you how to how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, go to its settings, and here when swipe shutter button 2, select take a burst shot. And now to take a burst shot, what you have to do is to just swipe shutter button, I think down, just like this. So, and then take a burst shot. I will show you. Swipe down, and after that the burst shot starts. You can take lots of shots, like I took 27 right now. And here we can review all these shots I just took and select, I don't know, the one which fits you best. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.